We are in Guwahati today to launch the 8th version of the EuroKids curriculum. It's called Eureka, the Visible Thinking Curriculum. This is a curriculum designed to enhance the thinking skills and the school readiness of all the children who come and study at EuroKids. EuroKids has been at the forefront of curriculum innovation for the past 24 years, and by now launching this new curriculum, we are ensuring that children who come to EuroKids get the best learning experience, and parents will see a lot of significant academic and learning development in their children when they send their children to EuroKids.
In Guwahati, in which area you will getting?
In Guwahati, we have 24 preschools. They are spread across all of Guwahati.
In context of Assam?
In Assam, we have 54 preschools, and we will continue to expand because our vision is to get a high quality early childhood education to as many children in Assam as possible.
In other hill state you have?
In Northeast, we have a total of 80, including the 54 in Assam. So in the other hill states also, we are expanding and we are adding preschools across the entire Northeast.
What's your target in Northeast?
So for Northeast, eventually we want to be about 125 preschools. Currently we are 80. In Assam, we want to expand from 54 to about 75 to 80 preschools.
You have seen any changing result here in Northeast?
Sorry?
Do you have noticed the change in educations?
So I think we've always seen Assam and Northeast as a part of India, which is where parents put a lot of emphasis and they give a lot of importance to education, and especially high quality English education. So we've always had a strong relationship with the Northeast and with Assam, and that is why we have a large team based out of Guwahati. We have at least 6 of our team members based out of Guwahati who manage the operations of all our preschools in and around Guwahati and the Northeast, because we understand the importance of this zone and this territory to because we have people who've been stationed here in Guwahati for many years, so we have a good understanding of the specific requirements of the parents in the Northeast. What we've seen is that parents in the Northeast want a high quality education starting from the age of 2 onwards, and because we have 24 years of experience, we are experts in the preschool field. I think we are fully prepared to deliver that kind of a high quality education to all the parents in Assam.
You have introducing yoga classes here in children. You have the tie-up with the national education policy of the government. The difference in Europe and India.
So I think in India, Europe, 100% of all children between the ages of 2 to 6 go to a preschool. In India, I don't think 100% of all children between the ages of 2 to 6 go to a preschool yet. But the importance of preschooling is increasing day by day. Government through NEP 2020 has also stated very clearly that every child between the age of 2 to 6 has to go to a preschool. So what I can see in India is that more and more parents are sending their children to preschool, and what we expect to see is, because of this, we expect to see that India's human capital will increase significantly in the years to come.